Cyborgs and Prosthetics, advancements in technology and integration with human biology to enhance human abilities and overcome physical limitations. Subscribe to my channel Bia Finds. Advancements in technology have led to the development of cyborgs and prosthetics that integrate with human biology to enhance human abilities and overcome physical limitations. A cyborg, short for cybernetic organism, is a being that combines biological and technological components. Prosthetics, on the other hand, are devices that replace or augment body parts lost or damaged due to injury or disease. Both cyborgs and prosthetics have come a long way in recent years, and have helped many individuals regain their mobility, independence, and quality of life. One of the most exciting developments in prosthetics is the use of neural interfaces to connect prosthetic limbs directly to the nervous system. This allows users to control their prosthetic limbs using their own thoughts, effectively making the prosthetic an extension of their body. Advances in materials science have also made it possible to create prosthetic limbs that are much lighter and more comfortable than previous models. Some prosthetics are even equipped with sensors that can detect temperature, pressure, and other sensory information, allowing users to experience a more natural sense of touch. Cyborg technology has also advanced rapidly in recent years. Some researchers are exploring the use of nanotechnology to create tiny devices that can be implanted directly into the human body to monitor and regulate various bodily functions. For example, nanobots could be used to monitor glucose levels in people with diabetes, or to detect and destroy cancer cells before they can spread. In addition to medical applications, cyborg technology is also being used to enhance human abilities beyond what is considered normal. For example, some individuals have implanted magnets in their fingertips to give them a sixth sense of magnetoreception, which allows them to detect magnetic fields. Others have implanted chips that allow them to interface with computers and control devices with their thoughts. While the idea of cyborgs and prosthetics may still seem futuristic to some, the reality is that these technologies are already helping countless individuals overcome physical limitations and live more fulfilling lives. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for enhancing human abilities and overcoming physical limitations will only continue to grow. The advancements in cyborgs and prosthetics are likely to have a significant impact on the future in a variety of ways. Firstly, these technologies will enable individuals with disabilities to live more independently and with greater quality of life. Prosthetics and cyborg technology will enable people to regain their mobility and perform everyday tasks more easily, improving their social and economic participation. Secondly, these technologies may lead to the development of new industries and job opportunities, such as the design, manufacturing, and maintenance of prosthetics and cyborgs. This could have a positive impact on the economy and society. Thirdly, the use of cyborgs and prosthetics could lead to a more inclusive society that embraces diversity and differences. These technologies could help to break down barriers and enable people with disabilities to participate fully in all aspects of society. Finally, the advancements in cyborgs and prosthetics could lead to new ethical and societal considerations. For example, the integration of technology into the human body raises questions around identity, privacy, and the boundaries between human and machine. It will be important for society to have discussions and debates around these issues and develop appropriate policies and regulations. Overall, the advancements in cyborgs and prosthetics are likely to have a transformative impact on society, creating new opportunities and challenges for individuals, industries, and society as a whole.